They look sick. I was just clocked on.
Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those signs getting severed. I told them all I get let up.
These are sick. 22.
Yes, 22 inch.
1 inch bigger. Custom made. MA. They're kind of like similar to stock Rolls Royce wheels, but a little bit bigger. Black. We're hoping they work with the suspension and we don't have to change anything, but that's what we're going to figure out. But I think this is going to completely transform the look now. Let's get them on. So it's out with these old dusty wheels and in with the new custom made Wheelmania ones.
Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. Look.